Everyone to How To Knots for another knot tutorial. Today we are going to be showing you how to tie the sheepshank, dog shank, ABOK number 6, whatever you want to call it. We're going to show you how to tie it. So let's get right into this tutorial. This is the 6th knot in our Ashley Book of Knots series, hence ABOK number 6. So if you're ready with me, let's tie it. Let's talk about the sheepshank for a second. The sheepshank is used when you have 2 anchor points on either side, and we need to release slack. So what we're going to do to start is we're just going to make 2 bites here in the rope, kind of like a big S here. So as you can see, top left and the bottom right, I have these 2 S's, and this is the amount of slack I want to take. So we're going to make a loop on the bottom left to start, and that's where we're going to feed that top bite through, okay? And now we're going to pull. So when we pull, if it hitches, as I just did, that means the knot is secure. So you can tie it under with your loop or over. So we're going to show you the other way here. We went under and pull, and it hitches. So it's good. And then we're going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side. So we're going to take the rope and we're going to make a loop, and we're going to feed that bite through there. And it hitches. So there is our slack. And now we can pull as hard as we want on either side, and that knot is not going to go anywhere. And that is how you tie the sheepshank knot. So we're going to show you, if you make the loop incorrectly, what will happen. So you're going to feed it through, and when I pull, try and get the slack away, you see nothing happens. There's just, the loop just disappears. So that's the one thing you need to realize when you're tying the sheepshank, and as you can see, you just put it through the other side, and there it works. So if you like this tutorial, like and subscribe to the video. We really appreciate it. If you want to learn more about the Ashley's Book of Knots, we do have an affiliate link in our bio. This affiliate link leads you to the Ashley's Book of Knots, so you can follow along in our series, and it helps us tremendously, helps us support the channel, and all that good stuff. So check out that link, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.